Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, and guess what? We are here on the cruise ship. There's the bed. There's my wife. Okay. All right, man. I'm just pulling your leg. We are not on a cruise ship. We are nowhere near a cruise ship. We're actually in Knoxville, Tennessee. And we, my wife and I, have decided to not go on the cruise, and it actually was a last-minute decision. We turned around, headed back home, and we like, you know what? We already have our bags packed. Everything's already packed. Let's not turn around and go home. Let's take advantage of the situation, and let's head on down to one of our favorite spots, Gatlinburg, Tennessee, Pigeon Forge. We could not get a cabin in the mountains on such short notice, but we do have one set up for tomorrow, and so that's what we're going to do. We're going to spend some time and just relaxing in the mountains and, you know, taking in some fresh air and chilling out in the jacuzzi and all of that. So we're still going to have a good time, and we're going to work on rescheduling our cruise with Royal Caribbean on probably in the spring. So we have officially made it out of Knoxville, and we are in Gatlinburg. Or no, wait, we're in Pigeon Forge officially. If you're not familiar, Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, they're like sister cities. And we are in this Moonshine distillery. And this is a really cool place. They have these places all over, but you can come in, you can have samples of the different types of moonshine. It used to be, they used to do it for free. Now they charge you $5 to take the shots, but they also give you $5 in coupons if you decide that you want to, or vouchers or coupons. I don't know. You pay $5 to get a $5 coupon to go and buy some moonshine if that's what you want to do. Like, take a look at. This is where it's made. And then they have all these different types of moonshine products. Moonshine pickles, moonshine hot sauce, all types of stuff. And merch. They definitely have the merch. Let's go try some moonshine. Ah.
Alright, you ready? People already flipped theirs. Wait. Hello.
Another week. Why are you pointing out the sun?
Tastes very, very grapefruity. Alright. You're right.
Now this next one is my favorite summer flavor.
Are you not gonna get in on this one, man? You're not gonna get in on this one?
Oh, me and this. We already did it. That is really tart.
Oh!
Wow. That's good. Yeah. Woo.
Shots are amazing.
Yes, awesome.
Now we're gonna go and pick something up. I think we're gonna get the pickles. We know for
Definitely.
sure we're getting the pickles.
Definitely getting the pickles.
What else?
You know, we didn't get to try the orange. I wanted to try the orange.
We didn't get to try the orange. But you don't like orange flavored stuff
No,
sometimes.
but I wanted to taste it.
So we're trying to decide on which one of the samples that we're gonna get. They are really good. This is how they get you.
Like they even have the recipe. All right, so that one we're getting the Mountain Java.
Mountain Java.
This one. And the grapefruit is over there.
The arcade a lot.
I mean, it's
And stuff too, right?
stuff. Yeah, I like things and stuff.
There you go.
Bite. Thank you. You too.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. All right, so here at the island, we got a cooler full of moonshine, and now we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do for lunch. It is time to eat. All right, we are here at the cabin in the woods, and we will pull in. I'll do it. We have reached our destination. This cabin is called Almost Paradise. Pigeon Forge. You get it. All right. It's a little cozy, a little quaint. Let's see a bit. Small cabin. It's a little smaller than the cabins that we usually get, but it's just the two of us. I mean, we've had some cabins that were way too big for us.
Yeah. It made you be like, oh, we should have made somebody else come with.
Yeah. Wishing you brought more people. There we go. There's... All right. Cool. But the smoke detector
We're supposed to be.
is off of the wall, and the battery is laying next to it. It was like this when we got here. Let's go check out the outside. Coffee maker. Coffee.
Cool 93 degrees.
Yeah, look at that. Bottle of wine. Sealed and ready to go. What's up? We are still in the cabin in Gatlinburg, enjoying our time not being stuck in Hurricane Dorian. And this is what we're doing right now. Oh, yeah. Take a look at that seafood boil. Oh, it's steaming up the camera. Let me back up. Got the broccoli. Look at that butter. This is how you make the best of a bad situation. If you've been following this story, we were supposed to be departing on a cruise ship today, September 1st, 2019. Royal Caribbean's Allure of the Sea. But unfortunately, Dorian, who I am now divorced from, had different plans. So, as I mentioned earlier, that while we were on our way to the airport, we were literally in the car on the way to the airport. My wife was like, I'm having some second thoughts. And I said, well, I don't want to waste money. And she says, it's just money. We can get money back. And that's absolutely true. I mean, money comes and money goes, but a category now 5 hurricane is absolutely nothing to play with. So we turned around, headed back home, and then we decided, listen, we're already packed. All the bags are already in the car. So let's go ahead and drive 5 hours from Cincinnati to Gatlinburg, Tennessee, which is one of our favorite hangout spots. It's like Vegas, but more family oriented. There's a strip, and there are rides and all types of stuff for family to do, kids, movies. Tomorrow, I think we're gonna maybe go drive some go-karts. As a matter of fact, just on the other side, if you listen well, you might hear somebody screaming in the background. There's no need to be alarmed. There's actually what they call the Alpine Coaster. Yeah, like that. It's actually an Alpine Coaster, which is just a big single cart roller coaster, and it just goes down the side of the Smoky Mountains, and it just so happens to be right next to our cabin. So there are like people screaming in the background, so there's like absolutely nothing weird happening there. It is a great place to come, and you know, maybe if you decided not to go on your cruise this weekend because of Dorian, maybe this might be a good place to go. Right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn you guys off, and I'm gonna spend some time with my wife, and we will catch you all tomorrow. All right, one of these.